Welcome to Summerside, located in South Edmonton. Today we are in a 2,800 square foot custom built home, and it is ready and waiting for you. My name is Jill Gargis, and I'm the owner of Simply Irresistible Interiors. We are Western Canada's leading home staging company. Today we're taking this tour so that you can see what a touch of Simply Irresistible Interiors can do for you when you are selling your home. This home is absolutely stunning inside. It has a double attached garage in the front, a west-facing backyard that backs onto a trail system, gorgeous granite, beautiful hardwood, and different finishes than what you see in every other house. So we hope you enjoy this tour, and if you have any questions about this property or you'd like to see it in person, please give me a call at 780-452-4527 and I will connect you with the owner of this property. Thank you and enjoy your tour.